Mama Akwaba will frame me Ajua searching Mesrel. Now wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo eba no say Ghana political party bi emblemi eye judiciary ana electoral commission na yentimi NDC funfree. And it is almost a man court. Na embu ambomo obeti gbe na judiciary no corrupt omu di amawe nemo se komo omu dia na omu ayedin ena aside judiciary na NDC fo eti omo no institution baako NDC fo sanso eti omo pa electoral commission no ene 2024 omu si moja begu omu do omu ani bri na akoshe Mami Jane Mensa no so omu kire se 2024 election omu win you, omu win you. My meaning declare my penda da mahama say we win and Ghana for the hene ha. Na ende afia poku avim lady kire say NDC for no my penda da mahama. Mu hwe mu ye mu campaign o na mu jai say mu blame Mami Jane Mensa na yisi e fairness electoral commission no. Omu do omu nye hwe. Mo nya mo campaign enkan sempa de mo be ya bo man Ghana ene na beto Ghana for mo asum no mo ato abande amamu. I said, yes, I say, na say, then hwekwem. Nti mu hwe me ya mo campaign. Na His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Baumia de Mudi netia. Mo sa besi fem because on the campaign no I am successful. Nti efia pokua to NDC for yenti nsema ode to ya.
Vote. Ashanti region will vote MPP no matter what. Eastern region ebe vote MPP. So those ones na make am. Those areas so omo beto. They will not look at dollar exchange but oh, determine elections no your mom 150 ni kakra bi no nipa na 5% no sa akofo no mo ye businessmen edwadifo na e wodrom no mo tonton ade no nti na ye careful say to be a vox pop ni o krom ni ama nkofo ko ya vox media for ye na vox pop no na nkofo na ho kira ba atamel so time nkofo na atamel say na atamel ukojo man e man no kwa ye terminology bi ukona akoto no ayete ya say that be nya atamel score and the machiawa in the mewa and this is to one mama the 3 months about 3 months na year campaign he won 2016 2012 elections hands down he won hands down and for many years too fixated on say there is nobody except etikafo kakra na wo mpe na omo to about so when inflation aba from $TD exchange rate nti do na to about they vote according to the ethnic group of people ni krobo ofimo and the religion ofimo and adama no one and rollers yeah and that's what I'm saying say NDC must be very careful this week NDC actual electoral commission here we are looking for emergency when you hear electoral commission sa NDC me say na ye wo so munya careful this election no enye kokota it's not a done the mu win sa James and to one no matter the amount of insult edu 9th December and 10th quarter on the 10th you have to about 3 days 4 days you can't do focal what you can do is bend the whole country down also be it's very careful when we attack the electoral commission this is an institution for that na cost between NDC and MPP na MPP for na ye Charlotte Sefu on tia so be na ye Jemesafu it cannot remove the institution electoral commission ono say na be no ntena ho da maybe another time crowd will be for ba umbetumi afani issue bi na ono say you know it will not change the fact that electoral commission declare and they declare media for the idea we just call the election but the electoral commission is the only institution that declares results and they declare the winner. And based on electoral commission declaration, the chief justice best way we in. Now they be attacking cool down now in your campaign. You have to win so overwhelmingly. Say the EC Obiakra try was strong room so they be elections in them. And I said, yeah, kind abano Obiakra the person will not even have any reason to do anything. And the people have already spoken. That is the target of what NDC for far. This should be the vision of NDC. Now, say where is means I need some comfort yomo for mutrim. Yeah, ballot papers now no be the biafum. Now small ballot. Any idea there? NDC people, you know. You people all know these tricks. collection of results, NDC and MPP, you know all this. So it should never be an excuse from NDC, especially NDC. Some of them catch it, collect 5 regions, and I'm a computer system. Not this year, I'm catch there. Some of them collect 5 regions, and I'm a system catch a booby about boom. You know that this is possible.
Yeah, issue-based politics. Say, agro na ye de hwehwehwam. Enra, sister fia me pese me kasa kakrafa Baumia ne media encounter no ye. Sister fia so hwe din a Baumia wa changing the style of talk. Say sata uza titino na oye slogans. Solution no oye no huru mahama no eniema huru bi. Say and me say na me pen asematie. But me see anywhere and I'm saying, this guy is a smart guy. And some of us are gold for a gold issue, also the reducing. Yes, the currency is still going up. It's not easy to convince anybody. Say, if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. Clearly, you have been exposed. But this guy is when you this gold issue, the detail and fundamentals, and he's appealing to the educated class. Obia otimi kenkan tie ehwehwe research nin some okekana mitwodi na say this man is detailing certain things obetimi ayaboa Ghana me wie na me de compare Mahama oka economy wie ye and oka jobs for coding who asem o wie ye and ade aka nyina ye slogans and egum sa na animal really ne de ben ni nyina egum eti as it were, na minim said Mahama was winning the election. Maybe I was convinced. Me call Ghana, me share the boys na egu Ghana and yeah, transfer sikani niema amount for the call rounds. Who's a Ghana? Sa part of voting now amount for Bejisika and yet be new free. And it is still happening. I will hope many Ghana. People came there and they asking for money. If you want us to vote, give us the money. They are not interested in anything. If you pay them, then the next 4 years they come. And say Mahama first na Mahama I was through. But they say after the media encounter we are even within this and then discussions of course were various NDC for better so can omo a manifesto once a match a kwanya ombe faso as first year for no be university ombe any free no match ase no. Enra ba wo miansem o keke na no mte ho e no mo expanding my
nti mama ba o mianya o diversion taxes o de yi o mo
wa yi wa madwene from manifesto no so e no wa ba no kasa boko NDC communicator be say for the first time you say na ba wo mia o brand ho ase and I'm say you don't have to say this thing on air and say so kasa asem you have to say
something no NDC ni no kwaji tu mo
yes so
what the kalo yi ne yet
yes and I'm saying no man kasa asem